Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you're seeing me today, which is very rare. So I am Dipanwita and welcome back to my channel Artsy Naillogy by Dipanwita. Today I am doing my first vlog. I am going to Mussoorie today. It's 7 in the morning and yep, I'm right now staying in Dehradun for a few years because of my PhD. So Mussoorie is just 1.5 hours away from here, so I'll be going today there with my friends. I'm going to the Dehradun station right now, to the bus stand from where the bus to Mussoorie leaves. So yeah, I'll continue later on. Bye. So I'm right now at the Chowk waiting for my friends. So from here we'll take a ride and go to the station. It's quite close by, about 15 minutes or so. So this place is called the Chowk. This is on GMS Road in Dehradun and is quite close to the Wadi Institute of Himalayan Geology. From here I will take a ride called Vikram. It takes 7 or 8 rupees to the station. I am sitting inside my ride. Here I am at the bus terminus next to the Dehradun railway station, and it will take rupees 60 per head to go to Mussoorie. I am sitting comfortably inside the bus. It started around 9 in the morning. There's only one bus at a time at the stoppage, so they issue only the tickets for the current bus. Here I am moving through the city of Dehradun. There's Ritu Kumar and some other store. So that was the Rajpur road, and now we have entered the road to Mussoorie. That is the hilly road full of greeneries around. It's a very winding road. And you can see the low hills in the vicinity. And here is a Shiva temple that falls on the road. It's very beautiful and grand. And the view from the mountain roads from the Himalayas is breathtaking. Oh, just look at that. How wonderful is that? It's for all these views that we visit the mountains. It even started raining. Oh no, but look ahead. Can you see anything? That's how foggy the road is. And here you can see shacks by the road and those tiny houses on top of the hills. And we're heading to Mussoorie, 5 kilometers. It becomes so fun to read the signboards as we get closer to destination. Moving through foggy roads, very low visibility, and here see the signboard. We're 6,000 feet above the MSL, and there is Mussoorie. We have reached Library Chowk, our destination, at the bus stand. So we are at the Library Chowk bus terminus. It's raining cats and dogs. It's almost 10 in the morning, so the bus took us 1 hour. We are taking the staircase up the Momo point to reach the Mall Road. So we finally reached Mussoorie. It's raining so bad. Such a bad weather today. But unlucky. But anyway, let's see how much we're going to enjoy. The rain-drenched mall looks so beautiful, straight out of a watercolor picture as if, and I'm gonna show you around the mall as we walk. And here you see some road directions written. Oh no, don't be mistaken, this is not a waterfall, it's just rainwater falling down the road. And here is this shop called T&J. My teacher said that you get good clothes from this, but it was closed. So we're now walking, and the Library Chowk is at the back side of mine, and I am walking forward towards the city. And here you see some murals, and here we are going inside this cafe because it was raining too hard. We needed a shelter. And we're going down the stairs towards the cafe. It's a beautiful cafe with a beautiful interior decoration. It's very cute and very picturesque. So yeah, here we are. But one thing, it's very costly. We had a veg pasta, white sauce pasta, for 270 bucks. And I miss Kolkata so much at this point because you get such good quality pasta over there in such cheap prices, and even chicken too. So here at the decor I am showing you over here. We took a lot of pictures in this place and spent a lot of time. Meet Prohelika, Mona Lisa and Prashi, my friends. And here comes our food. After clicking picture, eating, we are again back at the road because we waited a lot for the rain to stop, but it didn't, but we had to hit the roads. And now we're going to Gun Hill. Here's the direction. As the road goes up the hill, it's steep at places. This is the point you have to go. You see the top, and here's the road. Water is just flowing down the road, and here's some views from the top as we go along. It's so foggy over here. Can you see anything? It's raining incessantly, but it was a nice walk along as the water washes our feet. And this is the name of the road along which we are moving. The road is quite steep at places, so at times climbing gets a little tough, but you can relax and take your time and walk up slowly. It will take around half an hour. See how beautiful the road is. And this is a Parvati Mandir here, and this is the direction to the Gun Hill written over there. And we'll just climb up, see the road. It's beautiful. And here we've reached. Let's climb the staircase, and here we are at the Gun Hill top. There are shops all around, restaurants, magic shops and all that. And there are some viewpoints around the corners from the shops, but it was too foggy. See the Himalaya viewpoint, but we're unlucky, so we cannot see anything. It's just fog and fog all around. So I just sat at this place. It's a small shack or cafe type. We had some great hot coffee and tea. It was amazing on a cold rainy day like this. They sprinkled some chocolate powder on the coffee and it tasted so great. And bye bye to this cafe. We had time to leave Gun Hill. It's a haunted house. You can see the sounds coming from there. And there's another viewpoint. And it's time to go back down to the mall road. Oh, see the rickshaws. This reminds me of Kolkata, my city. These rickshaws take you around. Oh, here is a maple tree and a willow as well. I'll show you around the mall road. There are a variety of stores of clothing and other stuff. See Kalsan, a Tibetan restaurant, very famous one. We're planning to have a lunch here, but before that we'll go to a famous omelette shop in Mussoorie. This is the Cambridge bookstore where Russell Bond comes every Saturday and gives autographs. See his picture over here. You'll find a lot of restaurants, cafe and clothing stores and souvenir shops around the mall road. It's a very beautiful place to walk. The rain has stopped, the weather is now good, and it's a beautiful experience walking in the mall in such a weather. People are coming out now once the rain has stopped. And here's the Lavender Outlet Center, but it's closed. So unlucky of us. So we'll just go back to Kalsan and have our lunch. It's a famous Tibetan place over here. Having a good time exploring so far. There we see a restaurant. We have to walk up the stairs below. It has a branch in Rajpur. You can see the decor. It's a two-storied restaurant. We are sitting at the top floor. You can see the view from the outside. We chose this table and I'll show you the decor. You can see the menu card. It's a bright red. It's a lot of items over here, a lot of Tibetan items, and most of them we do not know what they are, but the restaurant staff, the waiters will guide you. We ordered their famous thukpa. This is the mixed meat thukpa, and here is the devil's momo. Both of the items were delicious. We enjoyed a lot. And here we have watermelon and lemon mojitos to refresh our souls. And under the tables we'll find tissue papers with writings on them of the visitors. And now it's time to go back to Dehradun. So we're heading back. We're going towards the library Chowk to catch our buses. collected some souvenirs from here, some wooden magnets and keyrings. There was a sale going on. And this is the Tibetan market, very close to Library Chowk. Oh, see these cute bundles. So this is the Library Chowk, also known as the Gandhi Chowk. I'll show you around. It's time to wrap up our trip, so we are heading back to the Library Chowk bus stand to get a bus to Dehradun. So you have to stand in queues to get your current bus ticket, but the current bus was full, so we had to wait 1 more hour and we took the 5 PM bus. Here is our bus and it's just started. Time to leave Mussoorie. Bye bye Mussoorie, we'll come back later for sure. So I showed you a part of Mussoorie today and the Gun Hill point, from where we can see a view of the Himalayas and the whole city. So it's the topmost point in the Mussoorie city. So it's 7 in the evening and I'm going back to my PG. The whole day trip of about 12 hours is complete. I'm kind of exhausted, but we enjoyed a lot today. We expected to enjoy a bit more, but it was raining, so we had to cancel a few plans. We had planned to go to a few other cafes, but one was closed, as you already saw in the video. So yep, I think it was a good enjoyment for us today. We could have walked around a bit more if it wasn't raining, but anyways, it was good for the first time. We can go there anytime again because it's so close by. It was actually my first outing after I came here, so I think the day went really great. My Sunday was good. From tomorrow onwards I have to go back to office again, same mundane routine, so it was a nice welcome change and I got to meet my old friends also. So that's it for today. See you guys later on with some nail art videos. Bye. So here are some pictures from throughout the day. This cafe teetotaler was expensive, but the food tasted great, so I definitely recommend it if your pocket permits. And yep, this was my first vlog. It's time to wrap up this vlog. Do let me know in the comments if you like this one and what improvements if you want to see in my next vlogs. So yeah, do come visit Mussoorie as soon as possible. I hope this vlog helped you. I hope this will guide you, and subscribe to my channel please and share this video. See you super soon. Bye.